50 miles to the south,
Yeah?
Big Sky, Montana is a big tourist destination. As the sun sets, the party begins.
This being a resort town, once the sun sets, all those daytime activities that people are doing, can't do them anymore. There's not really much for them to do after 10 o'clock and after the sunset, except to do a lot of drinking.
Deputy Parker is out patrolling the dark and empty highway for drunk drivers.
The roads here are obviously unlighted. There is a lot of animals and stuff on the roads down here. When people have too much to drink, and they're the only ones on the road, the potential for them to hurt themselves is definitely there.
The night is young, and already deputies have a DUI on their hands.
How was
Some guy